In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the 8mm vintage camera app for iPhone, taking a look at the pros and cons, looking at the sample footage, and seeing if this is something you should pick up. All coming up. Hey guys, welcome to Mobile Creators, giving you guys the tips, tricks, and tools to create awesome content on your smartphones. And in today's video, we're looking at that 8mm vintage camera app, which, to put it simply, is you're able to film and put a live effect, a vintage look, over the video you are creating. You can also import your own videos and add the effects to videos you've already made. So without further ado, let's take a look at the different effects that you can add in this app. Now, besides just the effects, you can also add, I don't know exactly how to describe it, but the different kind of distortion effects, if you like, and here are those.
This is a homage beat.
So let's start with the pros. I absolutely love this app. I think it gives an awesome look. There's so many different types of effects, and it's got those, blurry, flashy things that you can put on there. I think it is absolutely great, and it is probably one of the best apps out there to get a nice vintage look on your videos. The only con that I do have with this app is that it is only 720p. You can take footage that you filmed elsewhere that's filmed in 1080p or filmed in 4K, but if you're going to add these effects, it's going to downscale it to 720p. So that's the only downside for me. But then again, you're going for this older look, so I'm not exactly sure if the quality is really going to matter because you're already going for this vintage type style. You're not trying to go for 4K filmed in a 70s look. Most people are trying to just get that vintage look, so I don't think it'll matter too much to when I'm using it or when you are using it. So should you pick this up? Yes, I think you should. I think it's a very useful thing to add to your toolbox. I definitely would like to make some kind of film with it. Maybe try and make like a horror film, kind of like a Sinister, where they find like the old tapes, up in there, and they're these scary, crazy killings and whatnot. Do something like that and use the vintage app and try to make it look like it's actually back a long time ago. I think that'd be really fun. But let me know down in the comments below what you guys think of this app. If you've downloaded it, please link down below your videos you've taken with it so the rest of us can take a look at your stuff that you've created. Otherwise than that, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.